And we are back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an emblem symbol logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start under View with the Smart Guides and Snap to Point. So that should be activated. We've got a black fill for now and no stroke. And we can start. Let's use the Ellipse Tool. Drag an ellipse. We don't want to have a perfect circle, so only drag it with the left mouse button and I hold no keys. Now swap the colors so that we only have a stroke, then press A for the direct selection tool, select the right hand anchor point and delete it. Now we use the pen tool, click on the top anchor point and hold shift, go to the right just a little bit, left click again, then hold control, left click to deselect. Go to the bottom anchor point, left click, go downwards, left click again, hold control, left click to deselect. This is the basic shape that we want to have for our symbol. Select it all with the selection tool V, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it, right click, transform, reflect. We'll use vertical, click on OK. Select it, hold Control, and now drag the anchor point to the other one. It will snap. Selected both, right click, group. Going to create the next shape, we can use the pen tool, but let us use the line segment tool here. Go to the top anchor point, hold shift, go downwards. It should be fine. Once again, right click, group. And maybe I'll make the line segment a little bit shorter. So I use the direct selection tool for that, but I first need to ungroup it. So right click, ungroup, then A for the direct selection tool. Click on the bottom anchor point, drag it upwards holding shift. Now I group it again, and I use the rectangle tool and put it on top. Let me align that once more, and I put the rectangle with the arrow keys a little bit upwards. Should be fine. I use the rectangle tool, swap the colors, make it red. Now it's about finding the right distance. Something like that should be fine. I hold Alt to drag a copy out of it, then I hold Shift and rotate it, and I put it down there. Now resize the rectangle holding Alt, so we've got around the same distance, top to bottom and on the sides. I want to select it all and transform it a little bit. The distance still fine. Now we use the Add Anchor Point tool, but let us first make sure that the rectangle is on top. Select it, right click, arrange, bring to front. Now we'll add an anchor point. The simple left click, then I use the direct selection to A, click on it, put it downwards. I select it all, increase the stroke size, and I change the color. Maybe to this purple. Let me group it all, align it, or maybe I'll transform it even further. Something like this. And this is how you can create such an emblem symbol logo in Adobe Illustrator from scratch. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.